Hello guys, I welcome you to StarTech once again. Today I'm bringing good news as usual. Today I'm going to show you a device I bought which I think that if you get it, it's going to help you a lot. Some of you may know it, there's some of you too, you may not know it. You understand? This is a device or a tool called the nail gun. We are going to unbox it. When you look inside, this is how it comes. This is how it comes. It comes with hand gloves as usual. You know, protection is always first. Safety is always first. It comes with the gloves. The hand gloves are there. The user manual. This particular one is in China, but you know, the usage of it is not all that difficult. And then you have your ear protector. You know, as the name implies, it is called a nail gun. Definitely, when you're applying pressure, it's going to sound. And then the sound, this is what you use to protect your ears. And then you have your eyes as well. This is what you use to protect your eyes. And then you have the lubricator. You know, when some part of it is not smooth, or when it gets rusty or not flexible again, you just apply this oil and then you are good to go. And then you have your other accessory. This one is for this particular tool or device, which is called the nail gun. You know, when some part of it damaged, just come inside here and then you are good to go. You replace it and then your tool becomes normal again. And then this is the magic. This is all where all the magic is. So this is, when you buy it, this is the pack they'll give you. It comes like this, you understand? And then when you open it for you. So this one almost serves as nails. So those of you who are using concrete nails to do your work, I think when you get this one, it's going to give you better, like, quality work, and then your time too will be saved. You understand? Using concrete nails or drilling machine to erect or mount your television or let's say dish is going to take you a whole lot of time. The hitting alone self, using your hammer to hit alone self is full of suffering. This one give you some minutes. Something, if the drilling machine is going to give you 20 minutes or 10 minutes, this one is going to give you 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then you are done. Understand? So when you buy it, this is how it comes. This is the pack that you have here. And then when you look inside here, you have your brush to clean the inside of the gun when it gets dirty. So now this is the gun itself. This is the tool itself. This is how it comes. You understand? This is how it comes. So here you can open it. You can open it this way. You understand? When it gets dirty, just clean inside and then you are good to go again. So when you close it, when you face it back, so now how do you use it? This is where you now put this particular, this is almost looking like it bullet. Let me just say bullet, you know, but it has a name. You face it inside and then you apply pressure. You just apply pressure to the surface that, or the work you are going to do. If you're going to mount television, after putting the bracket there, you now apply pressure and then to sound. That is where you have to use this particular earbud when you are using it, so that the sound wouldn't disturb you. You understand? Now let me show you something different. When you open it, you see this particular device here, this end here. This is where the magic is. You can see that there are some screws here. You have one, two, three screws there. So now if you ask yourself, what are the screws for? When you loosen, when all the three are there and then you use it, you see that when you use it, you see that the washer will it will be as if it wants to move, but it wouldn't remove. So that means that when you leave all the three, it's going to be like you are applying too much pressure. But if you don't want to apply too much pressure, you just loosen one or two of the screws, and then you see that this washer wouldn't push too much as if it is going to remove. Understand? So basically, this is the use of the screws here. It's just to show it means that if you don't want to apply too much pressure to the washer, just loosen one or two of these screws and then you are good to go. So guys, basically this is the nail gun that I said let me come and show you guys, so that because it has helped me, or it is helping me, and then I'll urge you all to also get some for quality work and then save your time. So guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much. Pick my number and then I'll direct you to the seller. If you're in Accra or anywhere in Ghana, pick my number and I'll direct you to the man who sold it to me. He's in Accra, and then I'll give you direction so that you also go and get your own.
We're okay. We are there.